Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy, and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. If you are a new subscriber, I hope that you will stick around and hit the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. If you have been here for a little while, guess what day it is? It is a Stitch Fix day. You guys have been following my channel for any length of time. You are familiar with Stitch Fix, $20 styling fee. It is a subscription box. I have the Style Pass. They offered that to me about a year ago. It is $49 each year. That $49 goes towards, gets a credit for you and goes towards anything that you wish to keep in future boxes or on the freestyle option in Stitch Fix. Anyway, $20 styling fee. That $20 goes towards anything you wish to keep. You get a return mailer. You get 5 items in your box. You get a preview. You can choose items from their preview, or you can give them some feedback and they will kind of start over, or they will fill the box based on the items that you did not choose. For example, if you choose 3 of the preview items, they will select 2 additional items for you based on your feedback from the preview. So let's dig in. All right. I do know that I did choose a couple of these items from the preview. I may have picked all of them, come to think of it. It's been a busy few weeks. So this has been sitting here for a little while. So first we have a pretty floral spring and summery dress. It is, I can't talk. It is spaghetti strap. It does have adjustable straps. It is very cute, very lightweight, very summery. Okay. Then we have a Daniel RAINN peach colored top. Floral, again, very springy and summery. I love this neckline. That neckline is usually pretty flattering on me depending on where the armhole falls here. And then you have a keyhole in the front and a keyhole with a button in the back. Love those colors. So anyway, I was saying it's been a busy couple of weeks. This has been sitting here for a little while. We've had 2 graduations. Work has been crazy. Today is actually my first day of summer break, so I'm enjoying that so far. And we have gotten a puppy. So we've been doing some crate training and toilet training. Some of it's going better than others. Some days are better than others. What can you do? All right. So we have another dress. Again, this was something I remember picking from the preview. Again, it is a spaghetti strap. This one does not have an adjustable strap. You do have some brown buttons here in the center. Are these working? They are not working buttons, but this is like a yellowish mustard floral color. Again, very cute. It is shorter in length. And then we have a pair of jean shorts. If you guys have watched my last couple of videos, you know that I've had some shorts in my last couple of boxes, in my last Wantable and my last, did I have a pair in my D & Co? So I don't know that I'm going to need these, but we're going to try them on anyway. And then finally, I do remember these pair of shoes. These are a pair of navy wedges. Very pretty. So I need a pair of navy shoes to go with a pair of pants that I have that I'm still looking for the right navy top to wear with. So I may try these on with those pants. I would get additional use out of this as well, but these are very cute. All right, let's go ahead and try some stuff on. All right, so here we are with items 1 and 2. This is a cute casual outfit. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. All right, so let's start with the top. So this is by Daniel RAINN. I've gotten a lot of Daniel RAINN items in my Stitch Fix boxes. They're usually a little pricier, but they usually have a lot of crochet and things like that going on, and this does not. It is more, well, I don't know what this cut is called, this neckline, but I do like this neckline. I think it is flattering on me. It comes up a little higher, has a little keyhole here. It is a peach background with some pretty bright florals on there. I want to do a turnaround and then I'll show you the details up at the top, and I'll pull it out so you can see the length. I do have just a little bit of a front tuck going on here. The arms underneath are good. They're covered. The bra is covered. I am wearing a strapless bra, and it feels very comfortable. I have plenty of room to move, and it's very casual and very comfortable. All right, so let's get a little closer so you can get a better idea of the collar. So the collar is a peachish collar. It is kind of skin tone. So the question is this washing me out too much? I mean, I think it would look great once I had a tan, but obviously I haven't been out in the sun much yet. But anyway, I do think it's very cute. I like this braiding that we have going on around the top. We have the cute little keyhole. I like the collar combinations. It's very subtle yet tropic. Let me know what you guys think. And then of course you have a button up here at the top and a keyhole in the back. All right, let's talk about the shorts. So the shorts are very comfortable as well. I don't know who these are by. Let's see. These are by Silver Jean Company, and they are in indigo. So they had sent me a pair of these, same brand last year that I did keep. And these are very comfortable. I like these as well. They are a different wash than what I have from Silver Jeans last year. However, I do have a couple pair of jean shorts similar to this wash, one of which you just saw in the Wantable last week, which is a medium wash, very similar to this, but the fit on these is really good. I don't have any concerns at the waistline, no concerns with the legs being too tight or anything like that. It does have some distressing. We have a raw hemline that is cuffed. So had I not just bought a pair from Wantable, these would be a possible contender, but I don't really feel like I need them since I do have the other pair that I just purchased. So, but I do want to know your thoughts on the top. That's what it looks like out. All right, so let me know. I will be right back with some dresses. Okay, here we are with dress number 1. So far, this is turning out to be a pretty good box in terms of the fit and the style. So, very cute, fits perfectly. I like the collars. I like the buttons going down the center. I am wearing a strapless bra, so I would have to check to see if the bra strap would be covered. This is a little bit thicker of a strap, so it very well could be covered by wearing a regular bra, but I don't have a problem wearing a strapless bra if it fits me properly, and I do feel like this one does most of the time. Well, I don't know. It could probably use an extender, I'll be honest. I've gained a little weight. What can you say? It's been a stressful year. All right, so anyway, I like that it is, I guess it's more of like an A-line type of style. Tighter up here at the top. It does have a little bit of a waistband here, and then just kind of flows over there at the back, or at the bottom. I will do a turnaround. Not sure what the back looks like here up at the top. That's always a little bit concerning for me, but the bra is covered everywhere, so that's a good thing. I like the length of this as well. It is hitting right at the knee. I'm currently just wearing a pair of yellow wedges that I already had in my closet. My daughter pointed out that a pair of espadrilles would look really cute with this as well. So that's an option. I don't have any in my closet right now, but let me get a little closer. All right, so there you can see the collar a little bit better. It is kind of a mustard collar with a white small floral print. You have the brown buttons going down the center. These are not functioning buttons. I think the neckline is cute, just straight across. It's not too tight, and so I don't have a whole lot of puckering here other than just normal puckering from my body. Nothing that the dress is causing any puckering. So I am wearing some shapewear. Can you see through that though? Can you see through here? I don't know. I'll have to look back at the footage of this to see what this area looks like a little more specifically. But from back here, it looks cute. And I don't have a full-length mirror in here, which I do keep saying I'm going to get, and I keep forgetting to get. So, very lightweight. It is perfect for this time of year. When it's warm outside, would be cute in the fall with a jean jacket, even a pair of boots. It could transition very well. All right, we have one more dress, and I'm just going to try on the espadrilles with the other dress. I'll be right back. All right, here we are with our last two items. Another dress, very similar in shape and style to the yellow one that I just tried on. This one is a white collar with floral. It does have spaghetti straps. These are adjustable. They're not quite as thick as the yellow dress, and there is a little bit more shape here to the bust line there, or the neckline there. Again, comes up a little higher, kind of flares out just a little bit. I feel like this one might be just a little bit shorter than the other one, and I'm not real sure how I feel about how the back of this one is looking, but under the arms fits well, no problems. It's not too tight anywhere. The fabric is very comfortable and it's very lightweight. So let me get a little bit closer. So you can see it does have a slightly different neckline here. Straps are a little bit smaller. It does have some pulling here, which I'm not a huge fan of, which leads me to believe that this whole section is too tight, and the back is going to be too tight as well. So I'm not sure that this is going to be a keeper, but I do think the pattern is very pretty, and I think it's a very pretty dress. So let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to pan down and show you the shoes. All right, so here you can see the navy espadrille wedge type of shoe. Very cute, very comfortable, very neutral. I feel like that I could get a lot of wear out of these. They just crisscross in a couple places, and then they do have a buckle there on the side that is gold. They're very easy to get on, and the fit is true to size. I wear an 8.5, and these are a good true 8.5. I don't have any slipping in the back or anything like that. They are very comfortable, and they're not too high, but just almost perfect. Actually, they are very perfect. I really like them, and I think they're going to be too expensive, but we'll see. All right, let's get to the wrap up. All right, so let's get right to the wrap up. I do thank you so much again for being here and for supporting my channel. If you've made it this far and you have not hit the subscribe button, you probably need to do so because you enjoy this kind of content. And I do upload once a week. I hope to upload twice a week over the summer, doing a book review or something different on the second day, which is 9 times out of 10 probably going to be a Thursday or a Friday. So typically I upload on Mondays, so I hope to upload on Mondays, Tuesdays, and then Thursday, Friday. So sometimes I can't get it right on the day, but usually the day after. So that's my goal. We'll see how it goes, but let's talk about some prices. So again, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, you do get your invoice, you get 25% off if you keep all 5 items, and then you get a note from your stylist as well as some styling cards. It gives you ideas on how to style the items in your box. Gives you shoe suggestions or jewelry suggestions or purse suggestions, what have you. So let's start with this one. So I did like this dress. It is by BRITTON. It is the RENIE knit dress. It is in yellow. It is $54. I feel like the price is very reasonable. I am going to look back at the footage. I'm not sure if I was loving how it looked right here after I got closer to the camera. So I am going to look a little bit closer at that. That is an area that is a problem area for me that I just can't seem to camouflage quite as well sometimes. Again, I have put on a little bit of weight. I probably need to work on losing those 10 pounds. I'm not one to really worry about the scale or worry about weight until my clothes start fitting wonky, and then I try to scale back a little bit and do a little bit better, just because I don't want to have to buy new clothes. I mean, I like buying new clothes, but I want them to fit the body I have now. Does that make sense? I don't want to have to buy a whole new wardrobe. You get what I'm saying. All right. So then we have the shorts, which I did like. I thought these were very cute. They are $59. They are Silver Jean Company, the Iva cuffed boyfriend short in indigo. I'm not going to keep these simply because I already have a couple pair in my closet that are that color. I really liked the Daniel Rain shirt. I want your feedback on this. Let me know if it washes me out too much. But I do like the colors in this. I think it's very pretty, very summery. It is the KITURA Keyhole Detail Halter in coral. It is $54. So again, it is a shirt. It is $54, but it is Daniel Rain. It does seem a little pricey, but it's actually on the lower end for Daniel Rain. So that one might be an option. Let me know what you guys think. I do want your feedback on that. And then we have this white little ditty, and it is by BRITTON as well, and it is $48. Again, I like this one. I'm worried about this area here. And I just bought a dress similar to this from Dia & Co. Not necessarily the style is very similar, but the color combination is very similar. So that one's probably going to be a no. And then finally we have the wedges, which I did really like. However, I have found that Stitch Fix shoes tend to be a little bit pricey. These are Dolce Vita, so I'll probably research a little bit to see if I can find these anywhere else a little bit cheaper. But these are $79. So again, very comfortable. They do have some support here. I do like the crisscross straps. The heel is not too high. I like that I'm not a huge navy wearer, but I feel like navy is becoming more of a neutral. I don't quite wear it that way all the time, but I'm trying to do better. So I do like these. So I'm not sure. You guys let me know what you think. All right, so my total box was $294. If I were to keep everything, I would save $73.50, putting me at $220.50. So it looks like I do have a credit. So if you have not tried Stitch Fix and you would like to try Stitch Fix, you can use my referral code down below for either a $25 or $50 referral credit. You will get the credit and I will get the credit. And that amount depends on how soon you use the referral code after I have checked out. So a lot of times after I check out, it will be a $50 referral code for about 48 hours. So I do try to put that I will try to put that on my community tab as well, so that you will get that in your notifications, so that you know when there's a $50 credit available, and feel free to use my referral code. You will get the $50. I will get the $50 to use towards anything in any future boxes. So again, I do have some book reviews coming. I have a try before you buy from Amazon coming, and lots of good stuff. I have a blanket review coming. I mean, really, I mean, I realize it's summer, but one of them is a cooling blanket, which I'm really excited about. And I have some glasses, a glasses review that's coming up. So lots of fun stuff. I hope you'll stick around. I'm Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.